Hello and welcome. Have you always wanted to speak English but just weren't sure where to start? Well, you're in the perfect place. Today is your very first step to speaking with confidence. Yes, and the best part is you can literally start right now, today.
That's right. Just stick with us for the next few minutes, and I promise you, you'll be building your very own English sentences.
Okay, so think of English like you're building with blocks. Before you can build a house, you need to know what your blocks are, right? Today, we're going to learn the three most important types. So, our first building block is called a noun. A noun is just a word for a person, a place, or a thing. Just look around you. The chair you're sitting on, the room you're in, the phone in your hand. Yep, those are all nouns.
Oh, okay, I get it. So a noun is basically just a name for something you can see or touch, like this desk or that window.
Exactly. Okay, our next block is the verb. A verb is an action word. It's the word that tells you what's happening. So if I talk and you listen, are those the verbs? They're the doing words, kind of like the moving parts of the sentence.
Perfect. And our last block for today is the adjective. An adjective is a describing word. It tells us more about a noun.
Right. So if apple is the noun, then red is the adjective that tells me about it. It gives it some color, makes it a little more interesting.
All right, you know the three types of building blocks. Now, let's get our first set of words to start building. We've got 5 super useful words for you right now. Our first word is a noun, apple. Why don't you try saying it with me? Apple. A simple sentence is, I like to eat an apple. Next up, an adjective, big. Let's hear you say it, big. For example, the car is very big. Now for a verb, come. Your turn, come. You might say, please come here. And another noun for you, day. Ready? Day. An easy one is, today is a good day. And finally, our last verb, eat. Let's say it together, eat. For example, we eat dinner at 7 p.m. Now, here's where the magic happens. Let's see how these blocks connect. We have the adjective big and the noun apple. When we put them together in English to describe the fruit, we say a big apple.
Wait a second, that's a really good point. So, can I say I see an apple big?
That is a fantastic question, and it actually brings us to a super important rule. In English, the describing word, the adjective, almost always comes before the thing it's describing, the noun. So we say a big apple, not an apple big. Or like you see here, a red pen, not a pen red.
Okay, learning the rules is great, but practice is where it all clicks. It's time for a quick quiz to test out your new skills. Don't worry, you are totally going to get this. Okay, here's the first question. Just read the sentence and pick one of our 5 words to fill in the blank. The sentence is, I am hungry. I want to blank food. I'll give you a moment to think. Did you get it? The answer is eats. Yes, when you are hungry, you eat food. Awesome job. You're doing great. Let's try another one. The elephant is a very blank animal. Which one of our words would you use to describe an elephant? And the answer is big. That's right. An elephant is a big animal. Big is the word that describes the elephant. See? You're getting so good at this. Okay, last one. You've got this. The sentence is, it is light outside. It is blank. What do we call the time when it's light out? And the answer is day. Fantastic. You just passed your first English quiz. See? You're already using these words to build meaning. It's just like putting those blocks together. That was really great work. Before we finish up, let's just quickly go over the key points from today so they really stick in your mind. Okay, let's do a super quick review. Remember, nouns are things like day or apple. Verbs are actions, like eat or come. Adjectives describe nouns, like big. And probably the most important rule from today, always put the adjective before the noun. So we say, big apple. And of course, the real secret to getting better is to practice every single day. So here is your mission for today. If you choose to accept it, try to use just one of our new words, apple, big, come, day, or eat, in a real sentence. You know, even just saying today is a good day to a friend is a perfect start.
You did an amazing job today. With just these 5 words and 3 simple rules, think about how many different sentences you can already create. Thanks for learning with us, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep building.